Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically, all you have to do in order to virus scan your device is to find a proper app on your device, which is this one, Security. So let's simply tap on it, and all we have to do is to tap inside this cute bubble to scan apps and system. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, the device will scan it not only for viruses, but also for some privacy issues and the junk files. So you can make a kind of a full scan of your device. As you can see, we've got also the results basically immediately. So we can see that we do not have any kind of viruses, we do not have any kind of problems with the privacy, and how much junk files we've got. There you've got also confirmed results. So you can resolve all, and basically, of course, it is a really good outcome that we do not have viruses. However, if your device will detect something like that, the viruses, malware, etc., it will simply give you the option to resolve all, so simply remove all of the problems. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.